Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the revolution of laser fusion through liquid fusion fuel. The future of energy might lie in fusion, and a groundbreaking discovery could bring us one step closer to this vision. Welcome to our report on the latest advancements in laser fusion, based on recent findings from December 2022. The previous challenge. Laser fusion, also known as inertial confinement fusion, holds the potential to be an inexhaustible source of energy. In December 2022, the U.S. National Ignition Facility, NIF, achieved the first ignition of nuclear fusion using this method. However, the production of the required fuel capsules made of frozen deuterium-tritium mixture has been time-consuming, taking several days. A power plant based on this technology would need almost 1 million of these capsules every day. The innovative solution. Physicists, led by Igor Igumenshchev from the University of Rochester, have developed a revolutionary method. Instead of using frozen deuterium and tritium, they use a liquid form enclosed in a special foam-like capsule. Under laser fire, a spherical shell forms in this capsule, which then implodes, igniting the nuclear fusion. Initial tests. The first tests of this technique were promising. Without using deuterium and tritium, the researchers managed to create a tiny sphere, only about 600 micrometers in size, made of hydrocarbon nanofibers, and placed it at the center of the Omega laser facility at the University of Rochester. This confirms the feasibility of the so-called dynamic shell technique. The next steps. The real challenge now is to test this technique with deuterium and tritium in the foam capsule. But there's a catch. To produce the dynamic shell, new lasers are required that can generate longer pulses than the current models at NIF. These high-power lasers still need to be developed. The discovery of liquid fusion fuel technology could revolutionize the way we think about laser fusion. It could be the key to establishing fusion as a viable energy source. But, as with all scientific breakthroughs, there are many challenges to overcome. We will continue to keenly follow the developments. What do you think about that? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.